Model, 68-plate Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 314 2.2 CDI crew cab tipper non-runner needs engine repair no VAT. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 154770. MOT, the 23rd of June 2025. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 140 HPMI 2B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start and want turnover. Then you will need repairing or replacing tipper unit works perfectly no VAT absolute bargain, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, tipper in working order, cruise